I'm Rob Savaria. I'm the service manager, so I handle all the repairs, all the warranties. We keep our customers satisfied and they get what they need, and their repair is going to be 100% guaranteed. It's not just me. I got 18 guys, a good group of guys that they know what they're doing and they're the best around. Well, if the call comes in, and depending what it is, whether it's a boot leaking or if it's a dead valley that's leaking, I just go assess it and then I'll send guys out there. We'll go ahead and take care of it. We'll get it all straightened up. I make sure that every chance I get, I could go out and I could check on the jobs, and I check on the customers too, make sure they're all satisfied. It's just a process, and you got to keep up with them. If you don't keep up with them, then you never know what's going to happen. But I do my best to try to follow around, get behind, check with the customers, make sure everything's okay. I mean, we're like a family-oriented company, so we make sure we take care of everybody the best that we can. The most rewarding part for me is the community, the people, the customers I deal with. I want to make sure they're satisfied when I leave. And if they're satisfied, then that's rewarding for me.